Hi guys, welcome to Wake Up TV. We know it's been a long time, but we are here with some good news. So in this video, we are going to show you how we went to collect our boat from Midweekend, isn't it, babe?
Hello, bonsoir mesdames et messieurs, c'est encore votre frère Castor Don Kilo en direct de Wake Up TV. Ça fait un bail, mais nous travaillons sur une surprise que vous allez voir bientôt. Ici, nous allons vous montrer comment on a quitté de Bradford à Midweekend pour aller chercher notre bateau. Je vais le bien dire notre yacht.
Yes. So we went there to collect our yacht. So this was us getting in a taxi from Bradford. We were going to Bradford train station. As you can see here, we just getting into the train station and we went upstairs to check our stand where we were leaving from Bradford to Leeds.
So là, nous sommes en train d'attendre notre train d'embarquement en direction de Leeds.
And here we are getting in the train and just making our way down to Leeds.
Do you know what? Just a second, guys. Thank you.
Là, nous sommes installés en train d'arriver à Leeds Station. Comme vous voyez, pour les gens qui connaissent, nous sommes en train d'arriver à Leeds pour prendre notre prochain train en destination de Londres.
It was the first time we've taken a train since we've been in Bradford, so it was a bit funny because we've not taken public transport for like ages.
Et c'est ça, tu vois, on se sentait comme des étrangers, tu vois, quand tu passes ton temps à conduire à tout moment, donc on oublie le feeling d'être dans les public transports. Mais c'était une bonne expérience. Nous sommes arrivés à Leeds, comme vous voyez, comme des touristes, bien excités, pressés de prendre le prochain train en destination de Londres, car on avait hâte de voir notre bateau.
Yes. So here we are in Leeds and we were just going into the station and this me taking some art picture was absolutely beautiful. I love those colors. And also in Leeds you can get free Wi-Fi like you saw over there. And this is us going into our train.
LNMR en direction de Londres. Comme vous voyez, on se dirige tranquillement. C'est un beau train. Tout est tranquille.
Là, nous sommes arrivés à Londres. C'était... on n'a pas filmé dans le train, mais là, nous sommes arrivés. Tout s'est très bien passé. Oh!
London King Cross.
Yes, so that was London King Cross. Everything went so well. And now we were going to meet a friend.
Oh, ici on va rencontrer Koroabu, pour ceux qui connaissent le général 5 étoiles de Fatako, qui représente Fatako International. You know, il travaille pour Eurostar à London King Cross, Saint-Pancarte. You know, donc là, on se sépare avec Abou, on est en destination de Medway.
Here, I think I was going for food because we needed some takeaways and snack for today. And Abu, here I was looking for food, so I got a wrap, tuna wrap, I believe. It was so delicious as well. And yes, and then Abu's going to take us to St. Pancras station where we are going to get our next train.
free publicity, prêt à manger.
I love Pertamon, Jamie.
Là, c'est nous qui se dirigeons en destination des Saint-Pancras pour prendre notre train interne en destination de Medway,
Yeah.
the road, yeah.
So from St. Pancras, our train was going to go to Strode. And this is just us going in between station to get to the station that we needed to be at. The process was a little bit long. In London from King Cross to St. Pancras, a little bit of a work, so we had to be fast, but we had enough time to spare. That's the reason why we were able to meet a friend and grab a bite.
Ça, c'est Michael Jordan, le contrôleur de train.
Yeah, his name was Michael Jordan, and he came about and had a chat with us about how he doesn't earn enough as Michael Jordan, and Michael Jordan should be paying him for his name.
I wish I was. It would have been nice. I certainly will be selling tickets. And
So you were the one asking him, like, is that your name?
the bank account
Yeah.
is nothing like what he's got and everything else. But I'm older than him, so he should be paying me some.
Other than that, the trip was fine. The train went smooth and everything went okay.
Approaching Strood, passengers who come on with services to Maidstone West, please change.
Here we arrived at Turk, and a friend of ours was already waiting for us, and that's him over here. And we were going to meet him, and from there we took a taxi. So that's Strood Station, and we got a taxi here into Midway Marina.
Medway Bridge Marina. No, I'm not.
Ok, comme vous voyez, ça c'était notre dernier taxi du jour en direction de Medway Bridge Marina,
How was your
là
trip?
où notre bateau nous attendait tranquillement.
Yeah.
Et ça c'était mon dernier ski bag qu'on a pris à Strode là-bas. Joe
Manor Lane,
Morris.
Rochester. It's the same one, right?
In total, it was a long trip. To be honest, it's been a while since I've done such a trip. It took us about 5 hours from Bradford to Strode. Because from Bradford to Leeds was about 30 minutes. And then from Leeds, no, maybe not 5 hours, maybe 4. Yeah.
I think it was like 3 hours and a half, something like that.
Yeah, it was quite long. Here we arrive at Midway Bridge Marina, and we are just getting off the taxi and making our way to our baby.
Les bateaux sont derrière là-bas. C'est la zone de limite pour les spectateurs. Là, pour rentrer, pour franchir la porte que vous voyez là, il faut avoir un access card pour être membre de club. Sinon, on ne dépasse pas ici. Ça, c'est un B-liner qui nous welcome là-bas.
Yes.
And that's a sea liner
Oh,
and a ferry line.
what the
And we finally gonna make it to Isabella.
Yeah, in here there's quite a lot of boats, so I was learning a lot of names, seeing different things that boats are doing when they're in out ground and all that jazz.
Every time we go to classes, like, yeah, next time.
Few more steps, on va arriver dans notre bateau. Le voici qui se casse derrière là-bas entre les deux.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
ce n'est pas
That's
c'est
huge.
ici.
Yeah, we
les
were just
cellulaires,
walking
les autres.
into our boat at this stage, but we're also taking the time to observe and see other boats and kind of learn as I go along for me.
Why is it wrapped up?
They might be getting it done up. It could be a fishing boat, or it could be just a cruising boat. They might be getting it painted like main kilos.
Oh,
They've got
yeah.
half of this.
And I think you can see
La
that name
voici.
popping. That's Isabella, our little
You guys
baby.
done a great
C'est le
job.
paintwork que l'homme a fait la semaine dernière, le anti-filing. Pour ceux qui ne connaissent pas, ça c'est pour protéger contre l'eau.
Yeah,
Comme vous voyez, c'est le bateau le plus propre là-bas car on a refait la peinture ici la semaine dernière.
to be fair, you guys done a great job. I was really impressed. Really, really good job. Here I went shopping and I got different stuff because we were going to spend the night here. So I went to get some foods. And here we are just enhancing the boat. The team was doing the work where I came to have a shower, but unfortunately this place you needed to have a token, but I was lucky enough to get someone to give me a token, otherwise I wouldn't have had a shower, which would have been really bad. And here's the place by the night was really beautiful, and we spent the night here waiting for our lunch the next morning. Here, waiting to be lunch tomorrow, and the tide is
Première nuit dans le bateau.
everywhere. So those are the lights, LED lights that we've put in the boat to enhance it. It makes the whole place look blue and it's really peaceful. Here's the next morning. The team that was supposed to launch, Isabella, was already on the ground and everything happened really fast. The ones that were doing this, I had to go and get us some food for the trip because it was going to be a long trip and we had to prepare for everything. That is why this is part 1 of the video. We will also upload part 2 and part 3 of how we got from Kent to Leeds. It took us 6 days, but all the steps is being documented and everything will be posted here. So you guys are just going to enjoy the lunch now, and after that we went to fuel. We got some water and some fuel before we left Midway Bridge Marina. If you guys have any question, anything you like to know, don't forget to put them in the comment box below and we'll be sure to answer as many of your questions as we can. Thank you for being part of this journey, and there's more to come, so stay connected and keep safe. Bye.
Comme vous voyez ici, maintenant, nous avons fini de préparer la peinture du bas de bateau pour protéger et on va le relancer dans l'eau. Et comme vous voyez, c'est live and direct. C'est quelque chose qui se fait très vite et rapide parce qu'avec les machines, là, tout est easy. Donc là, on va refuel pour commencer notre voyage. Un voyage d'1 semaine qu'on va vous prendre en route avec nous pour vous montrer tous les steps de notre voyage. Donc c'était ça. Ça c'est la partie numéro 1. Il y aura des vidéos qui vont suivre pour documenter tous les journées. Donc merci beaucoup.
And trees going out of it as well.
Ciao guys.